1, 7, 10.
Good morning, guys. The last time we spoke, I was leaving the town of Chateauroux, headed for Prasac. And this little town, we just spent the night. We popped up the next morning and we hopped in a car and drove down 2 hours to Dordogne, which is where we spent 5 days. Let's get into this video. We had such a great time here. I can't wait to show you more. Our views crunch. Look at this. We see the valley down here. You can sit, relax. Hey guys, so this is our second home in France. I'm gonna walk you through our new place. As you saw in the last one, I didn't get to talk you through anything, but I thought I'd do something a little different this time and have hubby film this for me. So come in, take a peek at our little spot that's gonna be for the next 5 days. How charming. I love all the colors. Everything's nice and beautiful, and as you can see, it gets a lot of light in here. So this is our little kitchen here. It's like a little kitchenette, but it's so beautiful. And actually, let me see, there might be a light here. A small light there. And then this is my view out the window, or our view out the window. So cute. Follow me this way. Hi, Louisa. This is the parent suite.
Parents. What's parents mean?
Mommy and Papi. And we have a little door that opens out.
Come here, guys. Come here.
What do you see?
I want to show you something.
I have to show you something really cool, Crunch.
Okay, but I want to show you something.
And oh, we have another room across the hall. So come with me. We're gonna go upstairs now to the kids' play area and then to the kids' room. Let's go up these stairs, which leads you right up this ladder. Hello.
I'm coming back.
1 second, please.
Mom, look at this.
What is that? A horse? Or is that a donkey? Cute little play nook.
Oh, look, Mom.
What is that, Suiza?
A pig.
Oh, piggy. Oh, are there more animals in there?
What? Let me see.
Oh.
No, Doggo wants to play. Doggo wants to play. Doggo wants to play.
So now we'll go to the kids' room. Let's go upstairs. What do you think of this room, Crunch?
It's a bedroom.
Yeah, this is gonna be young Wheaty's room. What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah.
And
We're going outside, so don't take your shoes off, please.
yeah, there's 2 colorful beds.
2 colorful beds, and you have 2 lamps too. You see that?
1 and 2.
Yeah, and a dresser.
Wait, oh yeah. Let's see what's right here. It's empty.
I think I'm gonna unpack your stuff. So let's quickly go outside to a sitting area. I'm gonna close that door behind you. So there's a dining table, and then the valley out there, which is so gorgeous. Then of course we have a few seats here that we can chillax in, and the kids will probably be playing in Ross. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. I will see you again very soon. Bye. Thank you.
And then you wash your hands with it in the water because it's really smelly, this stuff.
You're gonna
Mama, look.
You come to eat.
Nice.
The other side, look,
actually do it
like this.
front to back.
Like this.
Yes. From the
Yeah.
head to you see? Then it's much softer, isn't it?
What do you think? Got the guinea pig, Rita.
La chambre est si noire que mes deux petits yeux n'arrivent pas à croire qu'ils sont heureux. Dis, est-ce que le jour
What do you think, Lisa? Yours looks really good too. We got the Kinder Egg flavor. She got Kinder Egg, Kinder chocolate.
And I go, where you have Kinder Egg.
I put crunchy sweater on. We are in Sarlat. We're having some ice cream. We had dinner. And then we're gonna walk to how long is the walk back to the car? Maybe 10-minute walk back to the car.
Carnival.
Oh, check out the carnival that they were having earlier.
Jus traditionnel.
Jus traditionnel. My French comes out in Espanol. It's tough to switch it. My babe's got it down there. It was so yummy.
What'd you get?
I got hazelnut and something else they have back there.
You had to get the 2 scoops, didn't you?
I had to do it. I'm on vacation. I have to. Right, Wita? Right? Yeah.
I want to try my ice cream.
Do I want to try your ice cream?